This is a question June 1942, variant question number 7. Particle P and Q ever leave a fixed point A in the same time and travel the same line. So velocity given by the P particle is this, and for the Q particle velocity for given expression here. So first of all, I discussed many times, I repeat again, when time is positive plus T, we have this straight line, negative, we have this straight line, T square positive, we have this kind of parabolic graph, negative T square, we have this parabolic graph. And plus T cube comes, for example, which has two turning points like this. Okay, and if we have a negative T cube, then it becomes like this kind of, again, two turning points. Simple technique, 3 power of T, 2 turning points, 2 power of T, 1 turning point, 1 power of T, no turning point. Concept is very clear, and let's discuss. This is a T square. When T square positive comes, it means we have this kind of parabolic graph. We have this. We'll decide how we can, sometimes we start from here and stop here, and sometimes start from here, stop here, or sometimes we have to make full. Okay, so let's see how comes. Second graph is negative T. You can see that it is a negative 2T. So it is a negative means we have a straight line and we have this kind of straight line. So I think plan is very, very clear. Let's start. So all 6 graphs are clear to you, 6 kind of powers of T. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, 0 to 5 he's asking here. So if you look at carefully, if you put 5 directly here, 5 to the 10, it means becomes 0. Okay, and even it means it's showing all values are positive. But I think, okay, and what about this? I think so. This also, yeah. When we have a put 0, it is like we can say 0 and put a 1. For example, 1. So I think so. This is a minus 8, minus 12 comes. It means it has a negative part. Maybe it has a lower part. It will go below x-axis. So it means I will make a diagram how I will make like this. Okay, this kind of graph. I'll make it. So best technique 0 to 5. We have a table function even. We can use it. Okay, and I use the same function of table I discussed with you even. Or you can put some values and get the answer. Okay. So, you know, if you press more button and table option in the calculator, so we can get even this one. So it is a 6 x squared minus, actually I'm multiplying here, 6 inside. So 6 3s are 18. And so answer is coming starting from 0, ending at 5, and step is 1. So if I make a table for function, okay, for f and f of x, use a function table. So against 0, I got a 0, against 1, minus 12, against 2, minus 12 again, against 3, I'm getting 0, against 4, I'm getting 24, against 5, I'm getting 60, and against 6, against 5, 60. So it means some values are negative and some values are positive even. Okay, so I just test these values. Okay, now here. Confirm that highest value is 60 along y-axis and lowest is negative 12 even. So my graph would be is a little bit like this now. Okay, now let's decide 60. How to make 60? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, and 10 and 20. So negative 20 and negative 10. So very clear. So let's start 0, 0. When I put 0, 0, I got, because this is a power 2, I show you 60 to power 2 minus 18t. So when I sketch it, you know, it is a positive t squared. So it will have a positive like this kind of graph. So let's see against what is 5. So I will take here 0.5, 1, there's a 1, this 2, this 3, this 4, and this is 5. So let's see what happens then. Against 0, I get 0, 0, 0. Against 1, I get negative 12 somewhere here. Against 2, I'm getting negative 12, it means here. Against 0, again 3 comes. Against 4, I get 24. 24 means 10, 20, 24 is somewhere in the middle here. It means my graph is something here. and against 4. So somewhere here, it means here point. So I got a point like this. After that, I will go for 60. So 60 group point is what? Okay, 60 is you can say that 60 is here line and 5 is this line. So almost roughly it is coming here. So I think the idea is very clear. So maybe I get at 1 it goes a little bit below, no problem. It's naturally look like, okay, graph is going like this. So this is a parabolic curve. This may be a little bit rough because, so don't care about it. It's not going through 3, although we know that. Okay, I make it a little bit here. I make a here 3, no problem, 3 here. Okay, this is our graph. Okay, just sketch. And now I'm going to make it the other one, and that is a so simple. So velocity is equal to 10 minus 2t. And when I put 0 in the place of I put the time 0, it becomes 10 answer. So 10 is where? 10 is here. Okay. So I use now this time green color. Okay, this one. Okay, I put any number. For example, I put 5 in the place of 10 in T, sorry. So I get a 0. It means 5 is 0 here. So it means it is here. So I'm going to make a straight line using this and come back. Look at here. It can continue for further even, but I think so. Okay. So I have 2 graphs. Okay. So I have done it both and I can write it here. This is a V is equals to 10 minus 2t. And here I'm writing with the blue color. So V is equals to 60 square minus 18t. We have done it. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Sketching, 3 marks, we got it. Okay. All right, this is done. Now let's talk about the part number 2. He said that prove that they have traveled same distance in first 5 seconds. So simple plan. I will find out, I will do both integrations. Okay. And distance, whenever we have 3 levels, look, I'm showing here 3 levels, this distance or displacement, then velocity we have, then we have acceleration. So when I differentiate, I get one level above, but when I integrate, I will come level 1 level below, down, sorry. So integration and integration. Okay. So now I am level of the velocity. I need distance to check both particle. Proof is that verify P and Q after needed 5 seconds. So let's see. So I will do what? I will find the distance. So S is equal to 0 to 5, 60 square minus 18t dt. I use this equation for P particle. This is for P particle, my students. So S is equals to increase the power by 1 divided by same, increase the power by 1 divided by same, and 0 to 5. And when I simplify, I got 2t cube and minus 6t square and 0 to 5. I plug in the values directly. Let's see what answer comes. Okay, I will save my time. And when I save my time, 6, wait a minute, please. Let's see what answer comes, starting from 0 and at 5. Okay, so it's coming answer 25 meter distance. Okay, now I'll go for Q particle. I will check it. Q particle, I use this expression. So I can, no need of the full working. I can, because a triangle, look at here. It is a triangle, green color triangle. So without integrating, I can tell directly. So for the distance traveled for the Q particle is what? Half into base into height. So how it possible, sir? We have a green colored triangle, height is 10, and this is a 5, half into base 5, and height is 10. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I got same answer, because how 5, this one, you see, from this 5 till 0, 5 distance. How wide is 10? Because you see this type, the height is 10. So green color triangle, I got it. So proved they meet. They meet. Done. Now let's go to the last part, which you can show the top here. So I need a space to write it. So please take a screenshot. Otherwise, I will erase the diagram only. Then I will do the rest part there. So just take a screenshot, and I'm going for the part number 2, part number 3, sir. But integration part, I need it. So this part is clear. So let's start, student. Third part is what question we have. Third part is we have to find the this one. We have to prove that greatest distance is, so greatest or least. So let's start. So greatest distance we need to find, or whenever greatest or least distance we have to find, we always go with a differentiation. And all of you know, for maximum or minimum, whenever we need, we differentiate the equation and derivative equal to zero. But now we have distance in terms of time. For example, this expression, so we'll differentiate s with respect to time, and I will put zero, and that time I'll put back an equation to get the greatest distance. So let's start how we can do this one. But first of all, we need expression. Problem is here. So first of all, luckily I have done integration here. I will save my time, and I will save my time. So let's find how to find the distance, how to find the expression for distance for the p particle. SP we have already here. I'm taking from here. Okay, but 2t cube plus 6t square plus C1. Now, so why I put C1? Because I don't know what is C, but because I have done with the limits. So whenever I have need pure expression, this is not expression for you for knowledge. Okay, there's an answer for it. Okay, but I need expression. So when I need expression, so we have to find the C, any C values there. But let's see, because it's starting from the it's fixed point A. Look at here, leaves fixed point A. Okay, and it means that when time is zero, S is zero. When time is zero, S is zero. So S is zero. So when I put zero here, zero here, zero here, so I automatically I get C0. So I get C1 confirm becomes zero. Okay, I repeat again, I get a C1 confirm zero. This is not compulsory to show, but if you show, it's good for you.
Sorry,
So
the expression of P, it's 9, not 6.
Wait a minute, let me check. Let me check. You said
90.
no, wait, repeat again.
2t
Wait a minute.
by 2, it's 9.
60 square done. Wait a minute. I put 18 here. Wait a minute.
18 divided by 2 is 9.
Yeah, exactly. 9. So I have to put here. Okay, I put by mistake. Okay, I type in calculator. That is why it came correct answer. But that time, I 6 and 2 9s are now it's okay, Abdullah. Clear?
Yes, now it's okay. Yes, 9.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the correction. So when I put it here, here 9, so we got this expression. Thank you very much. Okay, I got that here. Actually, got this answer.
Yeah.
Repeat again.
-9, sir. Yeah, is that?
-9. Thank you very much. Okay, so I actually how I got this answer directly. I use my function of calculator in the calculator. Okay, I use that function. That is why I did not type in calculator myself. The values okay. I typed directly in calculator. I got answer correct. Come back now. So now this is expression of the SP is very final and clear. 90 square. We have done it. Equation number 1 done. Now I need to find similar. Now this is 25 distance, but we need expression. So let's see how we can find expression for Q particle. So SQ, integration of 10 minus 2t dt. How it comes from? It's come from here. Okay. So with okay, now when integrate 10 become 10t and increase the power by 1 divided by same plus C2. Okay, now let's see now what happens further, because it's a 10t and here I got t square. And but you know that when I put, because particles start from rest, so time 0, s is equal to 0. So when s is equal to 0, I got C2 0. Okay, so purely I got SQ is 10t minus t square. Equation number 2 is also ready. Now I'm going to finish my question. After this, what is the next plan? After this, next plan is very clear. Next plan is very clear. Now, he said distance between the particles. Okay, so naturally this SP and SQ. Okay, So I can do any no problem, but I think so. S is equal to SP minus SQ. I use the distance between them is as a represented by S. So I got SP minus SQ. So let's see what happens. Come this 2t cube minus 9t square and minus, okay, I'll write in bracket better. And the other point comes here. This comes here, okay. And this comes 10t minus t square, okay. So S is equals to 2t cube, right? Let me write again. So S is equals to 2t cube minus 9 and this minus minus plus. I got a minus 8 and minus 10t square, 10t, sorry. Now I'm going to differentiate now. I'm going to show you differentiate. So when I differentiate, what I get ds by dt. So 6t square minus 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16t and minus 10. I apply and put derivative 0, and here I can say here I want to divide by 3, divide by 2, sorry. 3t square, 2 8s are 16 and 2 5s are 10. Done. Now 5s are 15. So I think this is very easy to simplify. Minus 3t minus 5t. Apply quadratic formula or factorization. But I like factorization. It saves our time. Wait a minute, please. Maybe I did some mistake here. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. 5s are 15. 5 to the 15. It is any sign mistake. Minus t minus minus plus. Let me check where is mistake. So this is a actually with factorization is not possible here. I check now again. So it means we have one choice only, and that choice is a quadratic formula. And when I apply quadratic formula, you know very well. So minus b plus and minus b square minus 4a and c and divide by 2a. Okay, 2a. So I got the first answer 3.19 and second answer is coming negative 0.522, which is not possible. 523, sorry, which is not possible. And this is my time. But did he ask for time? No, he asked distance. So this time we will plug in this expression. Okay, so space issue. So I am going to complete my question here, left side, or I can do right side even, no issue. So I'm rubbing the right side part and I'm going to complete here. So the final distance, what is he's asking us, find out the greatest possible gap between them. What is the distance between them? We can find it. And let's see now, if I put this 3.19 in the expression of S, so I can get my answer very easily. And now I'm going to put, so put in 1. So S is equals to 2 times 2, 3.19 to power 3, and 8, 3.19 to power 2, and minus 10 times to 3.19. And let's see what answer comes. So 2 times 2, 3.19 power 3, minus 8 times 2, 3.19 to power 2, and minus 10 times to 3.19, 3.19. Okay, so answer is coming. Answer is coming. Wait a minute, please. Yeah, 3.2 times 2. Yes. So distance is coming negative 48.3 of 4 meters, but negative we have to ignore, and distance between them is 48.4. Why ignore? Sometimes, you know, actually, if someone to student take XQ before and SP later, so then your answer would become positive answer. So don't worry, it is a gap between them. So we always become a positive value. So 48.4 is a positive answer.